All right, welcome to Beyond Super. I put up all sorts of stuff. Today we have this vintage Kenwood KT-1300G. This is a dedicated AM FM stereo tuner. There's nothing built into these things except for a noise filter here, your mono and stereo button, as well as your selector for both AM and FM. I really just wanted to show you how this unit is functioning. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
Amount of money people in the U.S. are now spending on gas in SoCal. Deal with the insurance noise.
I've already made around $300.
You're putting gas.
I'm not going to say on any particular song for copyright issues.
Weekdays after 3 p.m. for their $5.
Step screening process. Check
Los Angeles County Sheriff.
their quantities.
We're broadcasting live here until 7 o'clock, and I'm actually doing a walkthrough right now inside.
All right, these units were available between 1975 and 1977. So this is quite an old unit or vintage. It's got a classic look with a silver face, big large knob. Obviously the look is the 70s. It's got your faux wood top here, and then again, just your classic look of a tuning gauge here, as well as some lights right here on this side. This is a solid state tuner. Again, analog. Everything is analog from those days. So it's a really nice unit. The one quirk that I see on this unit is how the dial is the opposite. So when you're dialing to the right, you're actually steering to the left. And then if you're dialing to the left, you're doing the opposite, which is the right side. All right, as you can see there, the tuning gauge is or strength gauge is moving. Let's take a look at this thing on the sides. And then the back is fairly simple here. You've got your RCA output connection here, and then your antenna connections here on the left side, with your AM connection also as well. It still has the, again, wood type backing. This did have a issue with the cord being cut, so it was pretty much repaired there. And that is pretty much it. Some specs on this unit. This is has a signal to noise ratio of, let's see here, signal to noise ratio of 60 dB. It's got your frequency response of 50 hertz to 13 kilohertz. Your output voltage is 1000 millivolts. And the size of this thing is 14.65 inches wide, 9.88 inches deep, and 4.92 inches tall. And it's simply a 7.7 pound unit. So it's not super heavy. Just again, a classic vintage 70s unit. All right, anyway, just again, really wanted to show you a quick look at this unit.
Just the way you.
Estamos 100 puntos.
Skylink, fast, free, and built for.
All right. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you those things. And I hope you liked that video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and possibly join the channel. That is Beyond Soup, where I put up all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.